Hello children, welcome back to our virtual classroom. I hope all are ready with books and notebooks. Just look at the cover page of the notebook. You are supposed to write your name, standard is standard 5, subject and name of our school. Right now don't mention the division. Then turn the page. This is the page. Index. Serial number 1, because this we will be writing about chapter number 1. Date, chapter 1, Rain in the Night, and page number 2. That is the next page of your notebook. Right? So please be ready with your textbooks. Page number 1, Rain in the Night. Let us find out who has written this marvelous poem. It's Amelia Josephine Burr. And I hope all are eagerly waiting to recite the poem with me. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Let us recite the first paragraph again. First stanza again. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. It has been raining throughout the night. Sometimes it rained heavily, so the sound was loud, and sometimes it was just a soft drizzle. And why the line just like a song? Because we do not sing a song in the same pitch. Sometimes the pitch is high, sometimes it is low, isn't it? Let us now recite the second stanza. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. Gutters are channels at the edge of a street that carry off water. As it was heavy downpour the previous night, these gutters are full of flowing water, giving the appearance of a river. As lot of water is collected on streets, the streets, that is roads, are not visible. What we can see is water collected and it is looking like a small lake. All this has happened due to the heavy rain. Our lazy kitty is our kitten. Children, you must be aware that the cats are quite lazy. Our kitten will clean its small paws in this collected water. Let's recite the third stanza again. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and queens at court, but the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. As it rained heavily, few drops of water is still visible on the road. Now these water drops are shining like diamonds. Diamonds are precious stones that are studded in the crowns of kings and queens. Along with roses, there are also pansies in the garden. These pansies have become muddy and dirty as these are short plants. Last stanza. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. The small child had previously made plans to sail her paper boats. She has decided to go at wonderful new places, but you can see she has picked up her watering can. She has decided to first clean the dirty pansies and then she might visit wonderful new places to sail her boat. I hope you have enjoyed this poem. Now children, just do one thing. Just peep or look out of your window. What do you see? You see greenery all around you. Everything is looking so fresh. The trees are all green and clean. It appears as if a green carpet is laid down for us. This is the beauty of nature that can be seen in our rainy season. Now, time for doing some writing work. So, we have already kept our notebook page ready. Chapter number 1, heading has been given. We will start with quote for the day. It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. These are the wise words coming from a very wise man, Confucius. We all are learning a new skill, that is English language. Sometimes we might think that we are not progressing as per our expectations, but children, never lose heart. Please remember these wise words. Then comes word meanings. Gutters, channels at the edge of street that carry off water. Pansies, small plants or their flowers. The flowers have purple, yellow or white velvety petals. Few questions are given in our textbook. So these are textbook exercises. Question number 1. How long has it been raining? It has been raining throughout the night. Question number 2. What effect will the rain have on the following? Kitty, the lazy kitten's feet will get washed. Roses, the roses will have drops of water on them that look like diamonds that kings and queens wear. Pansies, the pansies will get muddy because they are short. And question number 3. What is the child planning to do next day? The child is planning to sail her boat the next day in wonderful new places. Homework, repeat word meanings twice, that is 2 times. Read, understand and repeat question and answers once. So, this is all for today's session. Let us meet in the next period. And I hope you all are safe at home. Stay indoors. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you.